I got a pretty good signal down here. It's showing up as 85. I figured I'd let y'all take a look at it. It's actually wedged in between some rocks. Have us a nice quarter. That thing hadn't been there very long. 2017. Laying right in between the rocks. Alright, good way to start off the day. I just found a pretty big key down here. I don't know if you can see it. Laying on the bottom there. Dug it out of that hole. Big old car key, I reckon. Either that or off of a big lock. I'll take it. Let's keep on going. There's a lot of signals out here. Just have to dig through the trash. Well, I was walking upstream and I eyeballed something right on top of the ground. Check out what it is. You see it right there? You may not be able to in the glare. That's a pocket knife. Laying right on top of the ground. Hasn't been there long, has it? Or maybe it has. Wow, thing's all rusted up. Awesome! It rained like 4 days ago, so it could have got washed up from the flood. It's gonna be a good day. Stuff's out here. It's just waiting to be found. I was getting a really weird signal down here. It was showing up in the 80s and it bounced to the 50s. And so I looked down and I'd seen something that kind of looked like a piece of clay. So I picked it up and it was a plastic bag. And there's like coins or something in it because it spilled all over the place. Here's what's left of it. And there's stuff all on top of the ground down there. I can see it from here. Let's go under and get a better look. Y'all ready? Okay, so I probably dug about 30 coins out of this one area so far where I found that bag, and there's more down in there. I think I have a $1 coin. You can see it right there. Let's go check it out. That's what it looks like. Awesome. Has James Madison on the front. It's a president $1 coin. I bet there's more too. They must have had a big bag of money, probably cash in there as well. It could have floated downstream. We'll have to keep looking around here and see what all we can get. I finally managed to get all those coins out that hole, and I ended up with $8.10. And I know it was all in the bag. It just fell out over the years, I guess. Depending on how long it's been there. Not too long, but at least a few years. I have $2 coins, a bunch of quarters, $2 in dimes, and a few pennies, and 1 nickel. You can see it all has the same patina, so it was all together. Unbelievable. I can't believe I just found that much money in the same hole. $8. That's good. I've only been out here about an hour too. Let's keep at it. There's more to be found. There's a signal right there. You can actually see something. Something shiny. May just be trash. Nope. Nice pair of shades. Hey, Those aren't too scratched up. May be able to use them. Let's put them on. Yeah, these are definitely not my style. Maybe we'll find some better ones. There's got to be some out here. We'll put them in the pouch and keep on working this area. Been searching around this area for about 3 hours now, and I got a signal over here showing up in the 70s. I flipped over a rock, and it was laying right on top of the ground here. Take a look at that. You may not be able to see it laying on the bottom, but it's a cross. Let me pick it up. That is very nice. Looks like it's made out of aluminum. It's weird, there's nowhere to attach a necklace to it or anything. Unless it was somehow wrapped onto it. I'll take that. Thank you, Jesus. Been digging for about 8 hours now. Taking me a break at the moment. Getting hydrated and a little bit of food in my body. Actually dug a nice axe head a couple minutes ago. Let me show it to y'all. That thing was showing up in the 40s on the AT Pro, and it was right under some rapids. I figured I'd dig it. It turned out to be a good signal, so I'm glad I dug that hole. Down at about a foot deep. It's pretty. Stinks though. Man, it's got a strong smell to it. Bet somebody was out here chopping wood and they broke their axe, so they tossed it in the water. Awesome. We'll go find us some more stuff here in a minute after I get through with my break. You don't find axes like that every day, not in that good a shape. Usually they're all corroded to pieces. This one can be restored. I bought a pair of shades down here. You're not gonna believe this. I got a signal down here and it was showing up as a 56. Thought it was gonna be another nickel, but it's not. It's a ring, and I think it's gold. Let's go under so y'all can get a look at this. It sure is a gold ring. See if there's any markings. Looks like there's one right there. 10 karat gold. Awesome. Been out here all day. I finally found a gold ring. Made my day right there. I'm gonna keep on searching though. It's only 6:30. We have till dark. This area is very shallow, so it's kind of hard to believe people can lose stuff in here. But I guess you lose things when you don't know it. Just a fishing lure. Keep on going. Another pair of shades. I'll take them. I just found me a Gatorade in the river. Hasn't been opened either. I'll put it in my cooler. Wow, that was loud. Echoes out here. We'll drink it on the drive home. That'd be nice. It's probably a dime or a penny. Let's see if it's shallow. Vibrating. There it is. I don't know if you see it. The water's so clear. That looks like a copper penny. Been there a long time. Looks like 1982 is the year on there. I'm getting all wrinkled. Yeah, I've been out here all day. It don't take long. Another pair of sunglasses. Someone left them on the sandbar, or forgot them. Wash them off. They can still be worn. It's like the 5th pair for the day. All right, I'll take them. See what else we can find around here. Had another successful day out on the river. I managed to find a bunch of coins. That's unbelievable. All this was found in 10 hours too. Bunch of quarters in there. I do have $2 coins. This one has James Madison on the front, and this one has William Henry Harrison. So they're always cool to find. You don't dig too many of them. Here's an aluminum cross, probably off of a keychain or a necklace. Very cool. Found a bunch of keys. Nice pocket knife. A few pairs of shades. Some of them are in really good shape too. Take a look at this gold ring. On the inside it says 10 karat gold. That's sweet. It's probably a wedding band. Somebody lost it out in the river. Also have a nice axe head. Handle's starting to dry out a little bit. But it's still a really cool piece. No telling how long that thing's been in the river. Here's some of the trash I found. Just your normal stuff. Aluminum. Pieces of tin. Here's a cork opener for like a wine bottle. Some pull tabs in there. That's a quartz rock I picked up. I think that's about it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the hunt. And if any of y'all are looking to purchase a AT Pro, we have them at battleground-detectors.com. Y'all take care, and God bless.